Dear student, today we are going to study about the Wobble hypothesis. जैसे कि आप सभी को पता है, बैट्सन एंड क्रिक इनके जो बेस पेयरिंग होती है, ए इट फॉर्म द टू हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग विद द टी and G it form the three hydrogen bonding with the G and C. Okay, the binding of A with T with two hydrogen bond and the binding of G with C with the help of three hydrogen bond. These bondings are known as Batson and Crick bonding. But we can see the non-Batson and Crick type of binding or bonding during the translation process. ये किसके बीच होता है उसे हमें देखना होगा. The Wobble hypothesis, it can say that this hypothesis was given by Crick. According to the Crick, no doubt the codon and anticodon, they are complementary to each other, but in some cases, due to the degeneracy of the triplet codon, the third position of triplet codon and first position of anticodon, they may or may not be complementarily bind during protein synthesis. So इसी को हम वोबल हाइपोथेसिस कहते हैं, जिसे क्रिक्स इन्होंने बताया. जैसे कि आपको पता है, triplet codons they are present on messenger RNA. Take the example of triplet codon GUU. It has polarity from 5' to 3'8. These codons, they are triplet 1 and present on messenger RNA. They form complementary binding with their respective type of anticodon of transfer RNA. This GUU, it encodes valine. Therefore, the valinated transfer RNA, its anticodon, that is ACC, it complementary binds with GUU of triplet codon of messenger RNA. This complementary binding is known as the Batson and Crick's complementary base pairing. So, if we know that the codon has the polarity, so यहाँ पर G, the nucleotide G, it has the first position in triplet codon, then U, the second, then third one is also U. But in case of anticodon, it has the, see, this anticodon, it has the site as the anticodon of the valinated transfer RNA. It shows the sequence ACC, the third triplet codon nucleotide. It formed the complementary binding with the first nucleotide of the anticodon. That is the case. You know this. This first A, it indicates the first nucleotide of anticodon, then second A indicates the second nucleotide position, and third anticodon position is the C. Then this Batson and Crick base pairing, that is complementary base pairing, is taking place during the translation process between triplet codon of messenger RNA and anticodon of transfer RNA. But according to the Crick, the Wobble hypothesis, it was proposed by the Crick. According to this Wobble hypothesis, Crick said that no doubt there is a complementary binding taking place between the codon and anticodon of the codon and anticodon during protein synthesis, but it might be happen that the third position of triplet codon nucleotide and first position of anticodon nucleotide may or may not be complementary. In this case, this GUU, it encodes the valine and AAC, it is the anticodon of valinated transfer RNA. It points complementary with GUU of triplet codon and transfer the valine for protein synthesis. But due to the principle of degeneracy, we know that triplet codons, they are degenerative one, and the degenerative position is related with the third nucleotide sequence or position of the triplet codon. The third position of triplet codon, it may or may not be complementary with the anticodon. So here you can say the same valinated transfer RNA has the anticodon as A, and C. A, and the C. The first position of anticodon A, then second position is again A, adenosine, then third position is cytosine. The same valinated transfer RNA anticodon as given here in this example, GUU triplet codon complementary binds with AAC anticodon. Then here we have taken the example of GUU. It encodes the valine amino acid. Therefore, transfer RNA, its anticodon complementary binds with the triplet codon. But here, due to the degenerative principle, the same transfer RNA, it can identify more than one triplet codon, which is different at the third position of nucleotide of the triplet codon. So here you can see here that the triplet codon GUG, here only the third position of triplet codon is different one, while the first and second position of triplet codon, it is complementary with the second and third anticodon sequence. The third position, that is G, it is not complementary to the A, but then also this valinated transfer RNA, it carry the amino acid during protein synthesis. Means the one transfer RNA that carries the amino acid for the protein synthesis, it can identify more than one triplet codon for the same amino acid, which bearing, yes, for the different messenger RNA that contain degenerative principle, degenerative triplet codon, especially GUU, it encode valine, as well as GUG, it also encode the valine. Then GUA, it also encode the valine. Then GUC, it also encode the valine. Means GUU, GUC, GUA, GUG. These are the degenerative triplet codons for valine, for which the single type of the transfer RNA, that is AAA sequence containing anticodon sequence containing valinated transfer RNA, it can complementary binds with the first and second position of the codon, while although the third position of triplet codon may or may not be complementary, this transfer RNA, it can transfer the valine amino acid during protein synthesis. What is the significance of this? The significance of this is the economy of transfer RNA get maintained due to the degeneracy of triplet codon at the third position. Means the same transfer RNA for the same type of amino acid, it can identify the different triplet codons for the same amino acid, that one is degenerative for the third position. थर्ड पोजीशन पर जो भी डिफरेंट ट्रिपलेट कोडॉन होगा डिजेनरेटिव प्रिंसिपल के लिए, उन सभी के लिए सेम टाइप ऑफ ट्रांसफर आरएनए उस कोडॉन के लिए जो एंटीकोडॉन कैरी करता है वह ट्रांसफर कर सकता है. सो ये इंडिकेट करता है कि एक ही ट्रांसफर आरएनए वह डिजेनरेटिव प्रिंसिपल के वजह से, डिजेनरेटिव ट्रिपलेट कोडॉन सीक्वेंस की वजह से वह सेम अमाइनो एसिड के लिए मोर देन वन ट्रिपलेट कोडॉन आइडेंटिफाई कर सकता है और अपनी इकोनॉमी का सिग्निफिकेंस बनता है. सो ये है वोबल हाइपोथेसिस. आपको याद रखना है फर्स्ट पोजीशन ऑफ कोडॉन एंड थर्ड पोजीशन, सॉरी, द फर्स्ट पोजीशन ऑफ एंटीकोडॉन एंड थर्ड पोजीशन ऑफ कोडॉन may be or may not be complementary. This is known as Vogel hypothesis, and it explains the significance of, it is a very important one, it is very economical one for the transfer RNA during protein synthesis for the transfer of amino acid. Hope you understand this point. Okay, see you tomorrow.